don't think it'll help to be just boxed in your room. It's not like you to lose faith in all the work you're doing out here. You got nothing to fear.
Hello and good morning. Actually, it's afternoon, it's 12 in the noon, and it's the other day. Yesterday we reached, oh my god, I don't know, there isn't much difference in the, like it's just 3 hours with Turkey timing, but everyone was so tired. We just slept all day, and then we couldn't sleep at night, and then again we slept late at night, and we woke up. Just normally the first day is all over the place, you don't have like a proper routine or anything. So today morning we got up late, we had breakfast late, and now it's almost noon, and we're heading off to some houses and some close relatives who need like condolences, who have lost their loved ones and close friends due to COVID or just natural causes. So we're just gonna go there, visit, and this is it for now. Oh yeah, and if you're in your country, you just stay in your grandparents' house or in your close relatives' house. So right now we're staying in our grandpa's house, and yeah, it's really nice here, and the weather is a blessing. So yeah.
Pieces of this puzzle. Looked in your eyes, got in all kinds of trouble. 16 days and I'll be leaving, but in 7 or 8 I'll be screaming. Hit the road and I hit it so fast. My body moves on, but my mind stays back. 16 days and I'm still dreaming.
Good afternoon from the second day. We're still visiting our elders. I mean, there are around 20 houses to visit. Yesterday we were exhausted. We went back to my grandpa's house and we rested very early, but today we just have visited our other, like the continuation of the visitings are going on. And today also we're invited for a lunch. So yeah, that's the current situation that's going on. Still no sightseeing. Jack, how far? Do you like Kazakhstan, mommy? Do you like it?
Give me something to believe in.
Okay, wow, finally got an alone time. It has been years since we haven't seen some of the relatives, some of our family friends, like faraway family friends, to be honest. And once you sit with them, they try to tell the whole history of your ancestors and all that. So just now everyone's gone, so I freshened up myself, and we have another dinner invitation. That's the thing over here. I'm not sure if my lunch is digested yet, but anyways, we have to go, and if you don't go there, people just get upset. But yeah, so we're just gonna head off to dinner in like in half an hour, maybe probably after evening prayer. Yeah.
Move too fast, move too slow. Call my friends, watch the river flow. They ask me, but I don't want to talk about it.
Hi from the Central Mosque of Almaty. We've just stopped by here to pray. Today morning, Ilya's mom got a little sick. We brought her to the nearby clinic, It's just that today is a little public holiday going on, so a lot of sectors are taking an official break, but still we managed to get a clinic where they'll look after her. She's doing so much better, and now we're here to stop. We have just stopped by to freshen up, to do prayer and all that. The weather is just doing so better, so yeah. Hello everyone, welcome to the vlog again from day like 4 or 5, I don't even count. Zach is basically asleep, he's knocked out. We just dropped my in-law, like my mama-in-law, in a relative's house, and now we are heading off to a little sightseeing which we haven't done in a good 4 days. So yeah, we're just gonna go to Koktobe, I believe, just see the city from the above. And I forgot to bring my camera, so I'm recording this on my phone. Apologies if the quality is not matching. Alright, I don't even know when I pick up the camera, but days have been going so fast. Some places don't even have network. It has been a trip of really fun. But now we're here with our grandma in a restaurant. She brought us to a restaurant where they have like Korean food, where they have like Uyghur food. So we're just gonna order some pasta inspired food, which is Uyghur food, and it's called lagman. Or in Turkish it's layman. Well, let's just see. Hi, for the past couple of days we have just been staying in my grandma's house. My in-law, like my mother-in-law and my brother-in-law, went out of the city to just visit some other relatives, and I just couldn't go because it was too hot. So I thought to stay with my grandma's. We've just been like chilling. They have a little backyard. We've just been, like learning stuff and just having a good, silent and peaceful time. Tonight I was invited to my aunt's house. She called us for a dinner and we are here. Yeah. Zach is having a good time. Alhamdulillah, he's doing good. So yeah. I'm deciding if I am gonna get Smeg because the prices. Okay, mom. Okay. The prices are like reasonably better than in Turkey because Turkey has tax prices. Come on. So I just checked this one. Like, this is the black, this is the white. Both are so close from aesthetic because, you know, like I've got other machines at home, but I just want to get the white one. Maybe in the future house I'll have a countertop that really matches this one and this red one. But oh my god, the white one just looks so perfect. Maybe I'm gonna get this, but I need to find an exchange center to just, you know, like exchange some money. So I asked Meg, you were gonna go in the baggage, that's for sure. Alright, so we are doing the final checkups and it's, you know, working, and then that's it. We'll proceed to the cashier. Oh my god, so happy about this. I really needed a, you know, I really needed a kettle, so there you go. Not bad, not bad. Oh my goodness. After several hours, we went to bowling. After that, we were so hungry. We came to get KFC and they even have Boxmaster here. Tamam, ikimiz de yiyeceğiz. It's just that I don't normally eat KFC because of the chicken. I don't like it. But Boxmaster is really a lifesaver. So try it whenever you visit KFC next time. And yeah, we're just gonna indulge and eat dinner.
Of this puzzle, looked in your eyes, got in all kinds of trouble. 16 days and I'll be leaving.
Hi guys, today is Sunday and my friends and I, we're here at the nature. We came to the Isik Lake. I'm not even sure if I'm pronouncing it right, but this place is so magical. We sat and we just had snacks, we just chilled and tried to absorb the nature, because the best thing over here is that there's no service, so you don't get distracted by the internet or anything. But girl, I mean, I'm gonna flip the camera. The sun is going down since it's mountains, it's getting a little darker, but wow, never seen anything like this before. So yeah, we're just, you know, enjoying.
But in 7 or 8 I'll be screaming. Hit the road and I hit it so fast. My body moves on but my mind stays back. 16 days and I'm still dreaming. Give me something to believe in.
We are back at it and I'm so tired and I look ridiculous, but anywho, as you know, these nature places are usually maybe like an hour or 2 hours of drive from the city or from the city center. We just reached to a restaurant to eat lunch and it's 9 o'clock at night and we're all exhausted and very starving, but it was worth it. It was so beautiful. We took amazing pictures. Even Zach enjoyed a lot, but he slept all the way and still he's sleeping. Yeah, so we're just gonna enjoy our dinner and I don't know when I will pick up this camera again. Okay, so basically this was the college that I used to study, but it wasn't just fancy schmancy. Now they have, you know, like all these sport athletic stadium kind of thing, and then this used to be the dormitory, but now it's all boys dormitory, and that was the lunch and dinner area. And here we are. I really miss this place. It's a whole new nostalgic level. Hi, oh my god, let me tell you where I am. I'm sitting just by the kitchen that we used to eat back in like what, 8 years. I've not visited this college, so today we all girls just thought to, you know, like come and eat. There's like a special dish, so yeah, here we are.
Move too fast, move too slow. Call my friends, watch the river flow.
Looks delicious.
Speak up, but I don't really wanna shout it. Move too fast, move too slow. God, please tell me where to go. Move too fast.
Oh my goodness, it is 10:30 and I'm leaving home right now. We had a blast today. We enjoyed so much. I really missed college life and, you know, like student life and all. And after that we just had a little, you know, dessert time going on, and now we're just leaving